Go.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so now we have chopped up our brisket, we chopped out our chicken, and I went ahead and just skipped the second measure, basically just putting the chicken and the brisket in the same bowl. As you can tell, you know, we've chopped it finely to the point where nice chewy pieces. So basically, you just want to mix it nicely. Now, with this situation being what it is, you're going to want to add more of the Bricken seasoning, which is why we will be selling the Bricken seasoning separately, because even though it is seasoned well, being that we're putting it all together, you're going to want to kind of seal in that flavor, and in doing so, you're going to have to reapply the Bricken seasoning. So as you can tell now, we have it nice and mixed, where of course you got your chicken, you got your brisket. Now of course we're going to go ahead and add more of the Bricken seasoning. I would suggest for this amount, probably about 4 or 5 tablespoons of it. And that's just to make sure to keep that flavor locked in. See, now we have a nice locked-in flavor, basically from the outside and also from the inside, and you can tell it's still nice, moist, and juicy. So now, ladies and gentlemen, you have your official Texas Bricken created, finalized, ready to go ahead and put on pasta, mac and cheese preferably, and put on baked potatoes, and of course eat it by itself. Or if you like to have a little mashed potatoes on the side, it also goes well in pairing that, or just putting it on a nice slice of Texas toast. So there you are. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Texas Bricken. Thank you for being here, and just understand, we're doing this not for Get Up Radio. Get Up Radio is actually sponsoring the Texas Bricken because we're doing it for a non-profit organization called Helping Humanity. We believe that, especially in today's times with economic finances and so forth, everybody is hurting, everybody needs help. And that's why we came up with this beautiful idea of the Texas Bricken, because we're going to make sure that 30% of all proceeds when we open in 2025 goes towards helping humanity, and 30% of all proceeds from the Texas Bricken Seasoning will also go towards helping humanity. Because remember, we're humans. But sometimes we need to remember about the definition of humanity. So for everything you purchase through us, you're not only enjoying yourself with Texas Bricken, which is made of brisket and chicken, but you're also helping each other and helping those in need by funding helping humanity. So thank you for enjoying the meal, and thank you for helping America and helping each other. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Go.
Hello everyone. So here's Alan Cousin again from Get Up Radio, and of course we are finally done with the Texas Bricken. Now of course the Texas Bricken, this is your original Texas Bricken. If you want to do the hamburger, there's a whole nother video on how to make hamburgers for the Texas Bricken and the baby Brickens. But this is the official Texas Bricken. And as you can see, we finalized it by adding barbecue sauce. We didn't actually show you adding it, but basically you're going to just add barbecue sauce over it and mix it accordingly. As you can tell, it has the green onions, it has the barbecue sauce, and of course it has the brisket, and it has the chicken. So now you have the official Texas Bricken. Now basically, just want to let you know, this basically is not just about making food. This is about actually helping America, because we are actually helping by doing a 30% donation to a nonprofit called Helping Humanity. Helping Humanity is basically going to be a cause to help those who are less fortunate than us, and that basically need help. And in today's economic times, we all know we all in some form need help. So by purchasing the Texas Bricken Seasoning, you are not only enjoying good Texas Bricken, but you're also helping each other and helping to bring a brighter future to the definition of humanity. Now, before I finish this video, I'd like to say a special thanks to the future Dr. Eller Barham That's Ella Barnum, who will be a neurosurgeon years from now, who came up with the fabulous name of Texas Bricken. I'd like to thank Jamie, cousin, my sister, basically, who helped us with adding a little more flavor and taste and with the marketing. I'd like to thank James Chester, who's basically part of Helping Humanity, and of course put his 2 cents to help with this situation. Of course, Catherine Allen, who also helped with the tasting of it. And us, of course, I myself, Alan Cousin, as far as coming up with the whole idea of Texas Bricken, simply because I didn't want to drink alcohol. Interesting story. If you want to read it, go to texasbricken.com. Feel free to see exactly how Texas Bricken came about. But thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for your time. I hope you enjoy this Texas Bricken on your own. And of course, like I said, we have a spicy Texas Bricken, which is going to be called Smoked Spicy. And then we have a regular Texas Bricken. And then of course we have the Texas Bricken that will be processed to make Texas Bricken burgers and baby Brickens for Texas Bricken sliders. Hope you enjoy everything you've seen. Thank you for your time. And once again, thank you for any purchases that you do towards our Texas Bricken Seasoning, because we can't actually give you the meat, being that we can't sell it until 2025 once we have a restaurant or basically a warehouse to sell it from. But we are at least able to sell at this particular time the seasoning. So if you want to purchase the Texas Bricken Seasoning, go to texasbricken.com. You'll be more happy to purchase it. Then of course you could get the videos to do the recipes, which will also be on our YouTube channel and also on our TikTok and social media networks. But as far as actually making it and serving it from here to you, we can't do that at this time due to FDA regulations and health policies, but we can at least give you the seasoning. And of course you can do the recipe, and you can make your own personal Texas Bricken no matter where you are in America or in the world. And just remember, every time you purchase, you're giving 30% towards helping each other to a brighter future and helping those who are less fortunate than you. Thank you for everything. God bless, and have a great day. From me, Alan Cousin of Get Up Radio, from Helping Humanity, and of course, the famous Texas Bricken from texasbricken.com. Thank you.